Family first, business second, achieving the perfect work life balance. Is there such a thing as a perfect work life balance? This is something that we struggle with. And it is oftentimes either we're spending too much time on our business or we're leaning the other way and spending so much time with our family that we're not getting anything done in our business. So, how do we find that happy medium? First of all, realize that there will be seasons where your business demands more or your family demands more, and you need to be willing to accept that. That doesn't mean abandoning either one of them, but understanding that sometimes you need to spend more time on one side so that then when that season is over, you can spend more time on the other. And that you always have that clear boundary. And these are work hours and workspaces, like if you set up your own office or have a co working space, and this is time for family. Multitasking between the two of them is the biggest recipe for disaster. So, how can you set better boundaries, have better strategies, and use your time more wisely so that you can enjoy more time with your family and more focus in your business? Drop the hashtag business family in the comments, and I will send you some tips and information about how you can do better and get over the guilt and the distraction when you're working.